What's up guys? In this video, I will show you how to get or remove these 3 buttons navigation bar at the bottom of your Redmi mobile phone. Now, over here I have my Redmi 12, but this would work for any Redmi phone you have. And to do this, you basically just want to head over to the settings of your Redmi phone, just like so. And then you just want to scroll downwards until you get to the home screen option over here. Select that. And then you just want to scroll down and then click on the system navigation over here. And from here, you can remove the bottom navigation bar over here by just selecting gesture, which allows you to be able to navigate through your Redmi phone with your gesture. And as you can see, it has been removed on my Redmi phone, so I can just navigate through my Redmi phone without the 3 button navigation bar. To put it back, you want to go ahead and do the same thing. So come over to home screen and then to navigation. And then you just want to select buttons. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.